Aimee Montgomery was wearing just a bikini when she slipped off the high-powered bike and was hit by a car. The 19-year-old was at a boat party in July last year while working in Zante when she got a lift back with a bouncer after having too much to drink. Aimee, now 20, was left unable to walk for 3 months after the horror crash. Aimee, from Badwell Ash in Suffolk, said, "It was really traumatic. It was a massive shock. It was just a freak accident. It was absolutely awful. I was being dragged along for 2 minutes until I realized that my shoe had been ripped off, and I could just see blood spurting off from behind the wheel. Eventually it just dragged me off before he had time to stop. It was the car behind that ran me over." "I was unconscious for about 10 minutes. There was so much blood. I got an ambulance down to the medical center, where they cleaned me up. I was just in a bikini. I was quite exposed. When I woke up I was in so much pain. I didn't know what was going on. From drinking that night I was unaware what the damage was. When they started to undo the bandages, that was the first time I saw everything. I just broke down. The first thing I saw was the road burns on my leg. I cried because I knew I would be scarred for life. However, little did I know I also had a hole in my foot. When I saw that, I was so emotional. I have had no confidence at all from when I first saw the scars." Aimee was taken to a nearby medical center where they cleaned up her wounds, wrapped her leg in bandages, and sent her back to the apartment, telling her to come back in the next day. When Aimee returned, she was told that she would need physiotherapy and that she couldn't fly home for at least 6 weeks due to her condition. Following surgery back home in the UK, Aimee claims strangers told her she would never find a boyfriend because of her disgusting scars. Since the traumatic accident, she has also experienced a lot of anxiety and has now been diagnosed with PTSD. Aimee said, "They realized it was quite a deep wound down to the bone. I was in a wheelchair and had crutches. I couldn't walk physically for about 3 months. I went out by myself, so I met friends there, but then they went home. My mom wanted to come and be with me, but I told her there was no point. I stayed out there by myself. I'm really anxious near roads and about people staring at me. My confidence has just plummeted since." Earlier this year she got a tattoo of a mandala designed to take the attention away from the scars on her leg after struggling with confidence issues. When she is medically able to, Aimee also plans to get a full leg sleeve of tattoos to completely cover up her scars, although she might not be able to for another 2 years. Aimee said, "I wanted the tattoo to take the attention away from the scars. I always got horrible comments and really horrible looks. I get so many looks that I just got used to it, but it still hurts. One girl on a night out said I shouldn't have them out. She said they are disgusting, and I wouldn't find a boyfriend because of them. I just walked off and cried. I have had a lot of good feedback from people saying how brave I am and saying I am beautiful, no matter what scars I have. I'm used to hearing negative stuff, so it was nice to hear positive comments from people. It has helped with my confidence to get my legs out more.